Hey everyone, welcome to GB's Garage. Today we're going to be talking about winter mats and specifically Tuxmats in my 2019 Alfa Julia. On the whole, Tuxmats have been great for me. I've used them in different cars over the years, but in the Julia, the front mats are great. The rear ones are just, they constantly squeak. It sounds like you're driving an old ship. They are extremely tight fitting, and as a result, they rub against every bit of plastic and leather, and nothing you do will stop it. So, what I'm going to do today is modify my Tux mats to hopefully stop that squeaking. So, what you're looking at here is the driver's side. Now, that's the tunnel section, and in there, you'll see some imprints. Now, that's the offending part. The lower part there is when the seat moves back and forward as part of the comfort access. So in other words, every time the seat moves forward when I get in the car, I hear the squeaking sound. And then the other indent above there is just where the seat rubs against that. And the same is true for the other side. So what I'm going to do today is, this is where the seat rail is. What I'm going to probably end up doing is going up from the seat rail, cutting along that line, and then straight up over there. And that should hopefully take care of it. All of this that I'm going to be cutting away sits between the seat and the tunnel. I don't see that getting dirty. I don't think it's a necessary part, but it's driving me mad. So I think I'm going to go for it. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, I think I'm going to poke a hole about there and just cut that way. And then I will go from top to bottom and let's see how we go. So I got myself just a box cutter. We'll see how that works. Okay, it's gone through very, very easily. That helps if you have a sharp blade, of course. Okay, I'm going to stop there and just see if I'm going to, let me go straight down here. Okay, and then we're going to cut through there. Okay, and then we're going to go from the corner here. Go. So yes, it does leave some stuff exposed, and no, I don't really think I'm that fussed about it. If anything, I'm sure I could take it somewhere and get a stitch or the end bit sewn on here, but I don't really think it's going to matter. I'm going to do the same thing to the other side and then we'll fit it back to the car. So after you're done, your mat should look like that. So I'm going to stick it in the car now and let's see how it fits. So the mat is in. Apologies, my garage heater has come on, so you might hear that in the background. You can see the cutout over there. It does look like a lot, but the seat is all the way forward. So I'm going to move it now into its position it would normally be for me to drive. Actually, it's resetting to a comfort access. Okay, let's move it back. There we go. Perfect. So that's this position I would use to drive in, and the comfort access actually moves even further back, somewhere around there, and I don't hear a single thing. Now, you can just see over there where the cut is. There we go, just there. So it's perfectly cut, in my opinion anyway. And I don't think I'm going to be having any more squeaks. I'm really excited about that. I'm going to take it for a drive and let you guys know how well it worked. Right, I'm back from my drive, and what an improvement. It is miles better than it was before. Definitely can live with it now. And if you have squeaking Tuxmats, don't be afraid to take a box cutter to it and modify it a little bit. It definitely works. Thanks very much for watching. Please like and subscribe. We'll catch you next time. Bye.